Understanding app limitations on your Hisense TV.
Hello there. Today we're going to talk about an interesting topic, the limitations regarding the number of Android apps you can install on your Hisense TV. As the smart TV market evolves, so too does the complexity of the technology and the myriad apps available to enhance your viewing experience. But is there a limit to how many you can have?
What limits the number of apps on a smart TV?
Generally speaking, the main limit to the number of apps you can install on your Hisense smart TV, or any smart TV, for that matter, is the device's storage capacity. Every app you download takes up a certain amount of space. Once your TV's storage is full, you won't be able to install any more apps unless you delete some of the existing ones. Another potential limit is the TV's processing power. More apps can mean more processes running in the background, which could slow down your TV's performance.
How many apps can I install on my Hisense TV?
The exact number of apps you can install will depend on your specific Hisense model and the sizes of the apps you're interested in. Some apps are quite large, while others are small. To find out how many apps you can install, you'll need to check your TV's available storage and compare it to the sizes of the apps you want. It's also essential to keep in mind that the TV's operating system and pre-installed apps also take up a portion of the available storage. So you don't actually have the whole of your TV's advertised storage space to work with.
Can I expand the storage capacity of my Hisense TV?
Unfortunately, Hisense TVs do not support external storage devices for installing more apps, which means you can't expand the storage with a USB stick or an external hard drive. The storage that comes with your TV is all you get for apps. In conclusion, while there's no specific limit to the number of apps you can install on your Hisense TV, practical constraints like storage capacity and processing power do present some limitations. So go ahead, explore the app market, but do so mindfully, keeping your TV's performance and storage space in mind. We hope this video has been helpful, and happy viewing!